Good morning, students. You are welcome in Dandev Academy. Today we are studying trigonometry of standard 10th. And in trigonometry, now we are studying relation in trigonometric ratios and trigonometric identities. Sine ratio, cos ratio, tan ratio, cosec ratio, sec ratio, and cot ratios are the trigonometric ratios, and they are basic trigonometric ratios. Now, what is a sine ratio? You know sine ratio. Suppose uh, we will write sine theta from this figure. Sine theta is equal to side opposite to angle, side opposite to angle theta divided by hypotenuse. In this figure, in this right angle triangle, this is angle theta, this is hypotenuse, because this is side opposite to right angle in this given triangle. Opposite side to angle theta is AB and BC is the adjacent side. So, you know how to find sine ratio, cos ratio, tan ratio, cosec ratio, sec ratio and cot ratio. Now, sine ratio, cos ratio and tan ratio, these are basic trigonometric ratios, and multiplicative inverse of sine ratio is a cosec ratio. Multiplicative inverse of the cos ratio is a sec ratio, and tan ratio is multiplicative inverse of tan ratio is cot ratio. So I write here multiplicative inverse of sine ratio is equal to cosec ratio. Therefore, cosec ratio, now we write here cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, or sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, because multiplicative inverse of sin theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, and 1 upon sin theta or 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. In this way, we can write multiplicative inverse of cosec theta is equal to 1 upon multiplicative inverse of cos theta is equal to sec theta. Therefore, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Multiplicative inverse of tan theta is a cot theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So, sin theta, cos theta and cosec cot theta, tan theta. I will write this side cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So cosec theta is the multiplicative inverse of sin theta. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sec theta is a multiplicative inverse of the cos theta. Therefore, 1 upon cos theta. Cot theta is the multiplicative inverse of tan theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So, you know cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Now, we see the relation in trigonometric ratios. What are trigonometric ratios? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So now we will see the what relation in these trigonometric ratios. First relation is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon a cos theta. First trigonometric relation is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. This is a triangle, this is right angle triangle ABC, and in this right angle triangle ABC, B is a right angle, therefore AC is a hypotenuse. Let angle theta, angle C is equal to theta, therefore angle A, the measure of this angle is 90 degree, therefore the sum of the measure of these two right angle will be 90. Measure of angle C is equal to theta, therefore measure of angle A will be 90 minus theta. Okay. Now, from this figure, sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Next, cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta, that is the BC by hypotenuse AC. Tan theta, from this figure, side opposite to angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta, therefore AB by BC. Now, we will divide numerator and denominator by AC. Dividing numerator and denominator by AC. Therefore, AB by AC upon BC by AC. But suppose 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, AB by AC is equal to sin theta. BC by AC is equal to cos theta. So, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So, one relation is, our first relation is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Now we come to second relation, cot theta. Cot theta is equal to, this is the multiplicative inverse of tan theta. So, we write here tan theta. One by tan theta is equal to, from first relation, sin theta divided by cos theta. Therefore, 1 divided by sin theta by cos theta. So, 1 into cos theta by sin theta. Therefore, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So, second relation, cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta. From this definition or for the information, sin theta is the multiplicative inverse of cosec theta is the multiplicative inverse of sin theta. Therefore, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Now we cross multiply. So cosec theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Therefore sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. So these two, we have derived two relations, or we have seen these two relations. Now sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, because cosec theta is the multiplicator of sin theta. Therefore cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. If we cross multiply, then we will get sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. So up to this, your ideas are clear. Now we come to second. Sec theta is the multiplicative inverse of cos theta. Therefore sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Now we cross multiply. We will do cross multiplication. So sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. So product of these two ratio is 1. Now sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and from this we have derived sec theta into cos theta is equal to 1. This is the product of sec theta and sec ratio and cos ratio. Now cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. So cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, and cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Now tan theta. Tan theta is the multiplicative inverse of cot theta is the multiplicative inverse of tan theta. Therefore cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta, according to our definition. Therefore we do cross multiplication. Cot theta into tan theta is equal to 1. Now tan theta, from this tan theta is equal to 1 by cot. So this formula is also clear. Now we come this formula, this relation. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. The relation is sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. How we can prove it? How can show this? Sin theta is equal to AB by AC 1. Now sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta is equal to BC upon AC. Number 3, cos 90 minus theta is equal to adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta is equal to AB by hypotenuse AC. Now sin theta, what is the relation? In sin theta and cos 90 minus theta. So sin theta is equal to AB by AC, cos 90 minus theta is equal to AB by AC. From 3, 1 and 4, right hand sides are equal. Therefore sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Now cos theta is equal to equation number 3. So in equation number 2 and equation number 3, right hand cos theta is equal to BC by AC, sin 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. Right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand side must be equal, or they should be equal. Therefore cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. There is relation. Sin theta, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Now, tan theta is equal to three, 4. I will write here tan theta is equal to AB by BC. This is fifth number. Cot tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AB cot theta is equal to, this is number 6. Cot theta is equal to side opposite to cot theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta, that is the BC by AB, side opposite to angle theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to, cot 90 minus theta is equal to adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta, that is the AB by opposite to 90 minus theta. So you see, cot tan theta is equal to AB by BC, cot theta is equal to BC by AB. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AB, and cot 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BC. So here fifth number equation, sixth number, 7 number and 8 number. So from fifth number, tan theta is equal to AB by BC, and from 8th number, cot 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BC. So these two right hand, in these two equations, right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand side must be equal. Therefore tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Similarly, cot theta is equal to BC by AB, and tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AB. Therefore cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. Okay. Now tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. We see here tan theta into tan 90 minus theta. So tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to AB by BC into BC by AB. So BC by AB is the reciprocal of AB upon BC. Therefore the product of these two fraction will be, or these two ratio will be 1. So tan theta into tan 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Similarly, cot theta is equal to, we can prove that cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta, cot theta into cot 90 minus theta. Now cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Cosec theta, that is the opposite of sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta BC divided by side opposite to angle theta, that is the A. Next, sec theta is equal to sec theta is a multiple inverse of cos theta. Therefore, sec theta is equal to at side opposite to angle theta or not. Sec 90 minus theta. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to side opposite to angle 90 minus theta, that is the BC, and adjacent side of angle 90 minus theta is equal to AB. So from this, these right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand side must be equal. Therefore cosec theta is equal to sec 90 minus theta. Similarly, we can prove that cosec theta is equal to sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta. Now we see trigonometric identities. Which are the trigonometric identities? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, or sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square B plus cos square B is equal to 1. Or sin square suppose 45 plus cos square 45 is equal to 1. So there are three trigonometric identities. One, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second, 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. Now from this figure, sin theta is equal to AB by BC. Cos theta is equal to BC by sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Cos theta is equal to BC by AC. Now triangle ABC is a right angle triangle and B is a right angle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Dividing both sides by AC square. So AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square is equal to AC square by AC square. Now AB square by AC square is equal to AB by AC bracket square plus BC by AC bracket square is equal to 1. But AB by AC is equal to sin theta and BC by AC is equal to cos theta. Therefore, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, we have find that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. You remember this. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. This is the trigonometric identity. Now, this is trigonometric identity, and there are two another trigonometric identities. How we can find these trigonometric identities? So, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now, divide both sides by sin square theta. So, sin square theta divided by sin square theta cos square theta upon sin square theta. So, sin square theta upon sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 1 upon sin square theta. So, sin square theta upon sin square theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta upon sin square theta. So, cos square theta upon sin square theta is equal to cot square theta. So, 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Therefore, 1 upon sin square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So, this second identity is proved. Similarly, we can prove third identity. Divide both sides by cos square theta. So, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Divide by cos square theta upon cos square theta. So, sin square theta upon cos square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta is equal to 1 upon cosec square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. Therefore, 1 upon cos square theta is equal to sec square theta. So, in this way, we have proved R relations, and these trigonometric relations are very important. Once you learn the trigonometric ratios carefully, it will be beneficial for you in next standard. So, those students, those are new in this channel, please subscribe channel, like it and share it. Thank you.